What's up, guys? Thanks for watching Entertainment. You're live right now. We have Mr. Klutze down in southern LA, California. How you doing down there?
Pretty good, man. It's wet. The rain's
It's
eased
wet,
up a
eh?
little bit. Yeah, it's eased up a little bit. It's still coming down. So, do you see
So a
anything on the
trans
forecast? Like, what are we looking at?
well, they're calling it the biggest storm of winter, unleashing flooding rain, mudslides, all around the Pacific coast. And but California is getting it hard right now, February 17th, as of 3 p.m. Eastern time. So that's like as of noon today down there for you guys.
Okay, well, let's go check some more of it out then. Let's go on location.
A raincoat. All
I got a leather jacket. It'll do.
right. So in the reports here, what I'm seeing, a new train of storm has arrived along the Pacific coast. On a potent one has begun to hit California hard with heavy rain, mountain snow, and strong winds to the end of this week. The first storm focuses on the areas of Northern California, Washington during Wednesday and Thursday. And the series of second storms will be focusing on moisture in central Southern California into Saturday. This storm is going to be running all the way through till Saturday morning. So be prepared. We're going to be looking for mudslides, road closures, power outages, tree damages, coastal flooding. I believe right before we went live there, we had a transformer blow up right beside you.
Yeah, that's right. So, see some of this power went out back here.
Looks dark down there.
Yeah, it is a little bit. Let's go up top this time.
You take us where you want to.
Okay. So normally you shouldn't cross here, but these lights have been going off for quite some time. There's no trains coming.
Really, eh? Huh. Furthermore, into the report, what we have so far is that we're expecting 3 to 6 inches of rainfall in the lowlands along the coast of over the Los Angeles basin. According to AccuWeather senior meteorologist Ken Clark Superman, from 6 to 12 inches of rain is likely below snow levels into the mountains, especially long after the south-facing slopes. Los Angeles, Santa Barbara, California areas. Much of this rain fall less than 24 hours ending Friday night. But now it looks like we're turning into Saturday morning. San Diego, the heaviest rain fall during the nightfall. Rainy streets all over downtown Los Angeles from, for the past 2 months, actually, since December through January, February, I guess they've been getting a lot of rain all over the place.
Yep. All right, so Andre, that's really good information. Thanks for all that. And then right down there, that's where we were.
Yeah.
Okay. We were down there. That's where the LA River was. So we'll be walking over there in a second. I just want to stop. Traffic. So you see, here we are over the 5 freeway. Oh, hey, check it out. There's another tumbleweed just hanging out on the sidewalk. So yeah, these tumbleweeds are kind of starting to regenerate. Okay, so check. Here's the 5. It's kind of moving again coming towards us. So right here, it's all locked up. It's just a mess, with big rigs and cars, people trying to commute. Now, Los Angeles is a very big city, and this is the freeway. So if you want to look that up, the 5 freeway connects a lot of freeways. It connects the 101, the 134, I think the 10, 405. You see, it's starting to move again this way, but as you can see on the bridge, it's blocked back like. So yeah, nobody's going anywhere. You with me, bud? You with me, Andre?